Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 24 says, which of the following is not a function of public service? Public service, which is not. Remember that public service, people that they staff in public service is known as public servant. It's known as public servant. Staff in public. Then public service is established by the Act of Parliament. So which of the following is not a function of public service? A. Executing government policies and programs. B. Formulation of policies. C. Generating revenue for government. D. Padding of budgets. E. Preparing the budget for government. So when we talk of functions of government, public service implement government policies and programs. Public service formulate policies for government. Public service generate revenue for government. Public service prepare budget for government, but does not pad government budget. So the padding of budget is the duty of the political head. Political head. So which means that option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.